My name's Jane Powell. I'm the Joint Coordinator of the Dyfi Biosphere. The Dyfi Biosphere is one of 7 biospheres in the UK and over 700 around the world. And the idea of this biosphere network is that it's a way of exchanging experiences, information, knowledge globally in service to world peace. That was the aim of UNESCO. We've organised this event to celebrate, for one thing, that the Dyfi Biosphere has been going for about 16 years now. And in particular, that this year we received core funding from Welsh Government for the first time. So we wanted to celebrate that as a real milestone for us. With people here who've been involved right from the start. So we're going back, as I said, sort of 17, probably more years actually. People have been working on this project, and it was just wonderful to have everybody come back together, and new people as well, and see that this concept of the Dyfi Biosphere actually works. People like it. It's on the edge of so many things, I suppose. You know, it's right by the sea, so you've got the land and the sea and the river. You know, you can see like the hills over there. It's a really interesting community. So, you know, it's got people family who've been here for centuries, speaking Welsh. You've got incomers. You've got the Centre for Alternative Technology. You've got Aberystwyth University. You've got a rich tradition of legends, and now it's right in the front line of climate change. It's a special area, with a boundary around a designated area, which includes Aberystwyth, Machynlleth, Tywyn, and the idea is it's celebrated for its natural heritage and its cultural heritage. There are good conditions for reimagining how human beings live on the land and how the economy and the environment fit together. We're to look back at the past and ahead to the future and think, well, how could humanity do things differently? At the moment, many people don't realise they live in the Dyfi Biosphere, so we hope that everybody who lives here knows that they're in the Dyfi Biosphere, and they know about the opportunities that are available to them. And then we start to do more and more activities that connect across areas. So farming, food, tourism, education, engineering, housing, woodlands, all these things interconnect. And we would be so much better off if they interconnected more, so that we had an integrated whole.